Hi, my name is Maxwell Carodi. This is COM 210, and today I am presenting how to do PowerPoint or how to go about doing a PowerPoint. Starting off, PowerPoint should be easy, fun, and you should be able to use your imagination. When creating a PowerPoint, attention is key. Attention with your audience, making sure the topic or key of what you're presenting um, attains or gets their focus, keeps their interest in regards to what you're trying to get crossed over or have the audience take on as their own. A topic, when choosing topics, it should be keywords or catchy phrases, something that the audience can relate to, or something that's going to grab their attention again. When doing a PowerPoint, objects such as visualization is key. You don't want too much going on, but you want it enough to where it gets your point across and allows you to lead on to what you're going to be discussing. The whole object or visual shouldn't describe your whole agenda, but should give you kind of a leading point or a start off point of where the direction is going to go. Now, again, when using contrast or visualization, contrast is key. You want to create separation, have it pop out to the audience, and not be too distracting from what the audience's focus should be on. Something as simple as this flower, you're not really too focused on the backdrop as you are the colors, the brightness. Again, keeping the audience focused, the objective in your PowerPoint should be short. Don't use too many words, but you want to be precise on what you're trying to get across. Try not to deviate too much from the main topic. Now, when you have all these visuals or objects going on, keep it relevant to what you're discussing. Don't just have random artwork up there just to showboat. And again, just try not to make it too distracting. Creativity and design is very important. I think that your imagination should be your key point. Simplicity as well. Don't go overboard, but don't also keep yourself in a bubble. Leave room for curiosity and wonder when it comes to creating a PowerPoint. Again, colors, visualization, things that grab the audience's attention, but don't distract them from the main or key point. When ending a PowerPoint, you want to be sure that you didn't cause too many distractions and that your audience retains what was said, key points, and if you would like, what can they give you as feedback? Maybe 3 things to hold on to. Again, attention span is key. Utilizing space, I feel, is underrated. Allowing the PowerPoint or what is on the screen to kind of lead you into what's coming next is great. Again, don't let what you see or what you're presenting on the screen be the main presentation. Your presentation should come from you, the presenter itself, not the PowerPoint. The PowerPoint, like I said, or like it's mentioned, is just a visualization point, not the presentation. Hope you enjoyed.